So here's the after of the shoes, and this is before. So first thing you do is measure the perimeter of the shoe so that we know how much trim. And right here, I'm just making sure that my trim is long enough to go around the perimeter of each shoe. And I didn't actually cut it off the spool. I just wanted to make sure I had enough. Okay, so you have your E6000 glue. The first thing that you're going to do is glue around the perimeter where you want the trim to go. Okay. All right, so that's an outline of where I want my trim to go. I'm going to take my E6000 glue and the trim. And you see that there's a fray edge on this trim. I'm just gonna cut it off to even it out. And then I'm gonna burn the edge just so that it doesn't unravel. But if you don't want to do this part, you can skip it. You can use like fray block glue or something to stop it from fraying on the ends. All right, and I also have these little clips as you see there. So I take my E6000 glue. It's easy to use the applicator tip, and I just glue like a few inches at a time, place a few inches of glue down at a time, because you don't want the glue to dry out before you actually get to that part with the trim. So just a little small spaces at a time. You don't want to glue the whole perimeter of the shoe all at once, because by the time you get to the other side, it would have dried out. And as you see here, I'm taking my little clips. Those are called duckbill clips or alligator clips. You can get them from the beauty supply store. You can get them from Amazon. I got them bulk on Amazon or somewhere online. I don't know. I have had them for a long time. So I'm just clipping along as I glue. And that holds it in place as it dries so that the trim does not slide out of place. Alright, so I'm done with that shoe. And I just sit that to the side to dry for a little while. You know, you can let it dry for a couple of hours. E6000 dries pretty fast. So you can do a few minutes if you want. We're going to move on to the next step, which is our rhinestones. And these right here, I actually got these online. I'm not sure. They're a mix between Swarovski crystals and some other kind of glass stone that I got from Dreamtime Creations. So I also got these applicator sticks. You can get them from Joann's or Hobby Lobby or anywhere like that. They have like a beeswax tip, and I like these to apply my rhinestones because they just easily grip the stones. I just really like them. So what I do with the opposite end is take a little dab of the E6000 glue and I just place it. I do about 3 to 4 dots of glue in an assorted pattern, not all in a line. I just do like a, just random assortment of dots spaced out where I want to place my crystals. And I just pick them up with the side that has the beeswax or wax. I'm not sure what kind of wax it is. The wax on one end. And I just pick up my stones. And these stones are probably SS16s. A mix between SS12s and SS16s. Or SS12s to SS20s. And I just mix those up. Because I didn't want the uniform look. But I'm just placing them. So you can place them wherever you want on your shoe. I did the heel and the whole sides. I didn't do the actual heel, but I did the heel of the foot. And just place them as you go. finished, and you see that this is the finished product. They look so good on. The crystals are very sparkly, and it's just a sexy shoe. I love it. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment. Hit me up on socials. Send me your pics. I would love to see it.